As I'm Mampintsha Babes Wodumo, welcome to Today Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Before I get to the news, guys, I just want to say, Kings and Queens, thank you so much for 1,900 subscribers, guys. It means a lot to me. Continue supporting me. If you see something we are not doing correctly, please feel free to comment. Anyway, guys, let me get to the news of today. Things has not been easy for the Groom Queen Bongiwe Babes Wodumo Simelane since the death of her husband, Kwaito star Mandla Mampintsha Mapumulo. But Babes will soon be smiling all the way to the bank, guys. The star was swimming in debts after the death of her husband. But that's all going to change as she has been offered season 4 of her show, and it will be called Uthando Lodumo. Life after Mampintsha. We are so happy for Babes Wodumo. The show is emotional, but it will help her to heal. The source says the production has already started. According to the close source, Showmax has already finalized the deal with Babes Wodumo. Once more, congratulations to Babes Wodumo. We all know that Babes Wodumo brings numbers and people enjoy her, especially after the drama with Mampintsha's family. The show will follow her life before and after Mampintsha's death, guys. Babes Wodumo is trying to secure her future, especially after her husband's death. She has a family to take care, including the small baby, guys, Sponge, guys. We know that I do have a son, you guys. So Babes Wodumo has advised not to settle for less, especially now that she is aware that the production wants more for her. Obviously, she needs to make the coin, honey. The show received such good numbers and that the TV channel had no choice but to give the show another chance.